She went all the way along through here.
So that came from the chamber.
And carried on to Perseverance Pot, just there. And make sure that none of the tourists come through here. Not a very slidey slide. This is the worst slide I've ever been on. I think we need to put a bit of water on it. I may have tripped and stumbled.
You there! You have violated the law! What say you? All that goes up to the groin. Protect your children now. Go on.
Ow.
Right, here we are, folks.
Artificial ceiling.
Oh yeah. That's where we're going.
What, above it?
We're going above it.
Okay. Maybe that's calcified.
My tower plant is somewhat heavy, so some like rain blocking curtains. But do you know what's really scary?
What?
If you turn around, there's an incredibly loose looking boulder that's not loose at all.
Yeah.
Look how terrifying that is. We should not get on that. Alright, phone's out.
Hello.
Hey, come in, like, lay on your belly here
Hang on.
and film. The camera could be here, and I'm talking to it, and then I'm going to go up here. And you
Okay.
can't see it at the moment, but it's a really small upward squeeze. But it's going to be exciting. What we're going through, woohoo! I'm not looking forward to it. Hell yeah. Okay. So I was thinking I come through. You film with the, when you're ready, just the normal camera from here.
From here.
I'll do a POV like this going through. How do I stop it from filming? Just the top button.
Yeah.
My hips are always the point of contention because they're the biggest. Well, my hips don't lie, but my hips are the biggest part of my body. So Shoulders can go through, yes. That does not mean that the hips can get through. Ugh. Oh, yes. The sweet, sweet price of success. Oh. On my helmet. Haha. Doing it. I think that could be a really good place to leave the video.
And we carried on,
Once he gets in
and we went through some tight squeezes further along. So we went to Surprise View, and I think it's Jacob's Ladder, the tight squeeze we went through, before making our way back.
Where the water used to flow at the top before it broke away down. Here we go.
It's quite a predicament, isn't it? The ceiling is rather low. Right, well, the torches are in the tank. I know, I didn't put my head under.
I held my breath and everything.
You can just tilt your head to the side. It's not high enough.
Well, one of us is a bit colder than the other then.
All my right hand side went in.
Well done.
It's up my nose.